Here's the exercise. A binary communication system transmits a signal X that is either a +2 voltage signal or a -2 voltage signal. A malicious channel reduces the magnitude of the received signal by the number of heads it counts in 2 tosses of a coin. Let Y be the resulting signal. Possible values of Y are listed below. So you can see the X is either -2 or 2. And the value of Y is from 0, -1, -2 to +1 and +2. Here is the format they gave you. So assume that the probability of having X equals +2 and X equals -2 is equal. So first, find the sample space of Y. The sample space is all possible outcomes, a collection of all possible outcomes. So we know the sample space of Y is all possible outcomes. Here is the possible outcomes. So it's -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And the probability of each value of Y. So the probability of Y, first equals 0. Y equals 0. It's here. We have 2 heads. So that means the probability of Y equals 0 and also X equals -2. This condition and also this condition, we need to add them together because they are disjoint. The probability of Y equals 0 intersection X equals +2. Okay, Y equals 0, which is 2 heads. When you toss two coins, when you toss the coin twice, to get the heads, the probability is 1/4. And the X equals -2. From the question, the probability are equal, so it's 1/2. In here, to getting 2 heads, the probability is 1/4. And the X is +2. The probability is 1/2. So here's 1/4. The probability of Y equals 1 is here. 1 head and X equals +2. So it's Y equals 1 intersection X equals +2, which means I get 1 head, the probability is 1/2. And the probability of X equals +2 is 1/2. So finally the answer is 1/4. Now we need to find the probability of Y equals -2. It's here. So it's Y equals -2 intersection X equals -2. So to get no heads, the probability is 1/4. And here is always like 1/2 because the probability are equal. So it's 1/8. Same thing, Y equals +1, then you can do the exercise. It's 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. And the probability of Y equals +2, it's here. So it's 1/4 times 1/2 is 1/8. Part B. What are the probability of this and this, the conditional probability? When you see the questions like this, don't worry about too much. First of all, we just expand it from the formula. X equals plus 2, condition on y equals 1, which means probability of A intersection B. A intersection B. So x equals plus 2 intersection y equals 1 divided by A intersection B divided by B, y equals 1. Next, we have already calculated the denominator, but how about the numerator? Y equals 1 and x equals plus 2 is here. So this one is just like y equals 1. Oh, no. We don't know this, so I can still use the conditional probability, which is y equals 1 plus 1, conditioned on x equals plus 2 times probability x equals plus 2. So here we have the answer for this is 1/2, and here's 1/2, and the denominator is 1/4. So it's 1. How about this one? Y equals 1, condition x equals minus 2. If x is minus 2, the y only be 0, minus 1, and minus 2. So it is impossible. So this probability is 0.